Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this black smoky eyes. So if you wanna know how I get this look, please keep watching. For the crease, I am taking this light shade here and blending this into the crease. Now I am taking this dark shade here to create some depth in the crease. Doing the same on the other eye. Clean out any fallout immediately, don't let it settle on your skin. I'm taking this gel liner and apply it with the flat brush on the whole lid of my eye. Now with the flat kind of fluffy brush, I'll smudge the edges of the liner. Now I am doing the same on the other eye. Taking this black shade and with the flat brush I am applying this on the liner. And with this fluffy brush I am just smudging out the edges. Taking this dark brown shadow to merge the crease and the black shadow together. Here I am just making sure that both the sides look similar and are blended well. And now I am removing excess powder and fallout from the under eye. Here I am taking the gel liner, you can take kajal if you want, and apply in my waterline. And after that smudge it with a dark brown shadow. Now I am taking the lightest shade from the palette to highlight the brow bone and the inner corner. Apply a nice coat of mascara to the upper and lower lashes, and while applying, you're gonna have to wiggle through the roots to the lashes for maximizing its effect. That's it for the video you guys. If you like this tutorial, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.